Hi, Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. We've got a 2021 Harris 250 Solstice to take a look at. This 2021 250 Solstice in the gray interior and gray floor. Stainless pod-mounted deck lights, flip-up cleats, ample seating in the bow, lit cup holders, armrests with more cup holders, in-floor storage. This Solstice has got the entertainment bar, flip-up table, storage for drinks, Simrad chart plotter, fish finder, digital throttle and shift, fly-by-wire, phone charger, security railing, fender holders, powered with a Mercury 225 4-stroke, swim step, more cup holders, remote control for the stereo. It has a water sport tower. This will conclude the 2021 250 Solstice by Harris. Give me a call. I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168, MarineMax Lake Norman.